In this video, I'll guide you through how to verify your identity with Companies House step by step. Together, we'll take it slowly so nothing feels confusing and you know exactly what to do. If you don't verify, you won't be able to file your confirmation statement or update your details. Companies House just changed the rules, and if you miss this, you could lose the right to run your own company. From 18 November 2025, identity verification becomes a legal requirement. This date is not a deadline. It marks the start of a 12-month transition period, giving your company time to make sure all directors and people with significant control have verified their identity by their due dates. I'm Zoe, a qualified accountant, and this isn't about money. It does not increase what you pay. It simply proves that you are a real human being running a real company. Companies House now wants to see your face. Not your logo, not your accountant, your actual face. This is called Verify Your Identity. Therefore, if you are a director or a person with significant control, you must verify your identity. I'm afraid this isn't optional. It's now a legal requirement, even if your company made £0 last year. If you don't, you won't be able to file accounts, update your company details, or act as a director. The good news is, I'll walk you through exactly what to do. Bonus tip: what is the deadline to verify? If you're a new director, you must verify before you're appointed. If you're an existing director, your deadline is before your next confirmation statement is due. And if history tells us anything, Companies House deadlines are not flexible. My advice? Verify now. Let's get you verified. You have two clear options. Option 1 is to verify your identity yourself online. You'll need a valid photo ID, such as a passport. Take a moment to read the list on screen, because not all ID types are accepted. Option 2 is to have your identity verified by an authorized corporate service provider, such as an accountant or solicitor. This option is usually best if you don't have the time to deal with this yourself. You want to be sure it's done correctly the first time, or if technology already stresses you out. You'll still need to provide suitable identity documents, but the verification is handled on your behalf. For transparency, I'm a chartered certified accountant and a registered authorized corporate service provider. If option 2 sounds right for you, I offer this verification service through Fiverr, so everything is booked and documented securely. You'll find the link in the description if you'd like me to handle this for you, properly and on time. Now, for those choosing option 1, the way you verify depends on the device you're using. You can verify using a smartphone or a computer. To make this as clear as possible, I'll show you both. My husband and I are both directors. I verified using a computer and he verified using a smartphone, so you can see exactly how each method works. A quick reminder from me to you. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe. It's free and it really supports the channel, and definitely easier than dealing with taxes. Now, let's continue learning. First, we're going to verify using a computer. And I know this part can feel a bit scary, but stay with me. I'll walk you through it step by step so nothing feels confusing. Now, let's head over to the Companies House website. Scroll down until you see Verify your identity for Companies House. On the next page, scroll to the bottom and click Verify your identity. You'll now be taken to gov.uk1 login. This is where everything connects. Scroll down and click Sign in. Let's pause for a second, because this part matters. You need login details. The good news is, if you normally file your own confirmation statement, you may already have a OneLogin account. If not, don't worry. It's quick and easy to create one. For me, I already have mine. So I will sign in right here. I will now enter my email, my password, and my security code. And now, the fun begins. It asks whether your identity has already been verified for Companies House. For most people, the answer is no, so we select no and continue. Next, we scroll down and continue. Now it asks where you live. I'm in the UK, so I select UK and continue. Next, it asks whether you have photo ID. We select yes, because we need a valid photo ID to complete the verification. Now it asks what device you're using. We choose I'm using a computer and continue. Next question, do you have a smartphone? For this demonstration, we choose no, because right now I want to show you the computer-only path. We'll handle smartphones in my next video. We scroll again and choose try to prove your identity another way, then continue. Now we choose our ID. I'm using my UK passport, so I select passport and continue. I type in my passport number, my name, and my date of birth. Then I confirm my address and details. And right here, something important happens. Company's House starts checking everything quietly in the background. No flashing lights, no alarms, just verification. When that's done, we reach the final stage. 3 security questions. Click Start, answer the questions, and submit. After which, you will receive your Company's House personal code. If you prefer using your smartphone to verify your identity for Company's House, this section is for you. I'll walk you through it, step by step. Now, let's head over to the Company's House website. Scroll down until you see Verify your identity for Company's House. Click it. On the next page, scroll to the bottom and click Verify your identity. You'll now be taken to gov.uk1 login. This is where everything connects. As before, we will scroll down and click Go to gov.uk1 login. Let's pause for a second, because this part matters. You need login details. The good news is, if you normally file your own confirmation statement, you may already have a One Login account. If not, don't worry. It's quick and easy to create one. You can create your One Login here, but my husband already has his login details, so he'll click Sign in with his email address, password, and security code. And now, it asks whether your identity has already been verified for Company's House. For most people, the answer is no, so we select no and continue. As before, we will scroll down and click and continue. Now it asks where you live. We click UK and continue. Next, it asks whether you have photo ID. We select yes, because we need a valid photo ID to complete the verification. This is where it works differently on mobile. Now we download the One Login app. Tap download, then install, and let it do the rest. Once it's finished, tap open. On the next page, I normally skip this section. Tap skip for now. Now let's sign in using the same email address and password as before. Again, I usually skip this section. Congratulations, you've now downloaded and logged into Gov1 Login app. This is the app you'll use to prove your identity. Click Continue. Now, you need a passport with a biometric chip and click Continue. Next, let's confirm and continue again. Click Yes and continue until you come to this page. From here, we'll send 3 important details through the app. The first one is our photo. We're going to take a clear photo of the passport photo page using your phone. Step 2. We're going to scan the biometric chip inside your passport, so the system can confirm it's really you. This part is very simple. First, close your passport and place it on a flat surface, facing up. Now place your phone on top of the passport, with the screen also facing up. Next, there's one more step, taking a selfie. Your selfie needs to match the photo inside your passport, so follow the instructions on screen and click Start to take your selfie. Once that's done, well done. You've successfully submitted your details. Now, let's head back to gov.uk to complete the final process. Click Continue and you'll see a message showing that your details have been successfully matched to your ID. Great, you're almost done. You'll now be asked, where do you live? Choose United Kingdom and type in your full address. After you've confirmed your address, Company's House will start checking your details. They'll look at your passport, your selfie, and the chip scan, just to make sure everything matches up. Once they're happy with everything, you'll see a message confirming that your identity has been verified. From there, just click Continue and give the system a moment to update. And when that's all finished, you'll receive your identity verification number. We've now gone through the full process together, on the computer and on the phone. So whichever device you used, you now know exactly how to verify your identity, and you're ready to use Company's House with confidence. If you found this helpful, feel free to watch the video again or share it with anyone who might need help. And don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Many thanks for watching.